My GF that I find it weird that her best friend is cuddling with her when I'm not around. Long story short, my GF27 has a lot of male friends and generally just has a better vibe with guys. Borderline pick-me vibe in a lovable way. She has this really close friend from high school, M27. They text almost every day and have nicknames for each other that are typical associated with relationships. They've never kissed or had sex, but whenever they are alone, they like to cuddle while watching TV. They don't do it whenever his GF is around and he kinda refuses to meet me. I'm not concerned that she's cheating on me or that she has feelings for him. It's more just that I find it weird. Cuddling between two adults just isn't appropriate, especially when it only occurs when they are alone, right? On the other hand, I can't figure out if this is just a cultural thing. I'm black, they are white, and this might be some cultural ritual I'm not aware of. So guys, AITAH for telling her to stop.